Hi, let's learn how to make a perfect timetable. But first, let's go through some important questions. What to study? Always mark key points, and highlight the important things. When to study, and which topic? Create an exam study checklist. Take the important topics. And, create an exam calendar. Where to study? Have a designated study space which is well equipped. Keep your study place fixed and cleared of clutter. Make sure it is free from distraction. And now the timetable. At 5:30 a.m. Wake up, wash your face, have 2 glasses of water. And eat a fruit or a handful of dry fruits. At 6 a.m. Start your first study session. Take up the most challenging topic. This session should last till 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. Wind up your books, and clean working space. Have a 1.5 hour break. Eat good. At 9:30 a.m. Take a timer and solve a mock test. Adjust the timing accordingly. And try to solve the paper in one go. At 12:30 p.m. Check the area where you went wrong. Think like a guru. Revise again and again. At 1:30 p.m. Have a good lunch. Take a healthy food. Also, take 20 minutes of nap. At 2:30 p.m. Interact and engage with the content. Should be aware of notifications. This lasts 4:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m. Take a long break and a healthy snacks. Study from your notes with 10 minutes of break. At 7:30 p.m. Take a dinner break. Arrange your books. Clean your workspace. At 8:30 p.m. Take a new topic for 40 minutes. List out important words. And finally, at 10 p.m. it's bedtime. A perfect timetable don't change itself, it changes the person according to it. Engage TEL Gurus. Meet your divine masters.